Hello friends, welcome to the second tutorial of PHP. In this tutorial we will learn what is XAMPP and how to download XAMPP and how to install it in your computer. So basically XAMPP is used to install or make a server inside your computer to access your PHP files. So let's go and download the XAMPP. So just click on your browser here and open Google, and inside in here Google type XAMPP, click enter. You can see we have find lots of option here, so I recommend you guys to select download. Just click download. So in first lecture of PHP I have mentioned that as PHP is working on different operating system. So you can see right now XAMPP is working, XAMPP software is available for different operating system. It's available for Linux also, it's available for Windows also, it's available for Mac also. You can see so for Windows here there is 3 options. You can select any one of it, so I recommend you guys to select first one, download, because this one is 148 MB. This is, I think this is full collection, so I will just click here download, and this is for 64 byte. You can see it is right in here 64 bit. Just click download and you can see download is start here, so I will just start download. Click on the start download. Now you can see it is downloaded. Let's open. So this is the software that we have downloaded. This is the XAMPP software. I will just right click here and select run as an administrator and click yes here and hold for a second. So now you can see an warning is here, important because an active user account UAC. It's a security warning. To remove this warning, just write in run msconfig. From msconfig here come to change UAC setting and then select launch, and what you have to do is you just bring it never notify and click OK, yes, OK, OK. And the next solution for this is I will tell you later. So you can see here many options are here and they are all checked, so I will leave it as a default. And XAMPP, so the next solution for that warning, you should change the location here. You have to change the location. For example, by default is it's installing in C drive, in drive where your operating system is installed. So you can change the destination from here. You can change it from to this drive, E drive, or any drive that you want. So by default I want to leave it as a default and click next. Here you can change your language, so I will again click next, click next, next, then click next. So you can see download is starting, installation is started. So it will take 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on the processor of computer, speed performance of computer. So now you can see download is processing. Its installation is in progress. We will wait for the installation to complete. So installation is completed now. Let's click finish. So you can see the XAMPP control panel is here. So what we need to do here, we need to start this Apache and MySQL. This Apache job is that its job is to establish a connection between server and browser of a website. And this is MySQL. MySQL is used for relational database management system. SQL is a structured query language. So what we need to do here, we need to just start these two. But let me tell you guys, I want to mention that in my case there is no error in here, but in your case in someone PC there will be an error here, because you have installed Skype or some softwares which will use the port. So here will an red warning or option red warning will come here, that in that warning will come, and that will be like this, that this port is in use. So to solve that problem, you need to just go and configure, and in here select the first option. From here find the port. So in most of the cases it is use the port 80. So that's why I will just give you an example here. Yeah, so you can see here it's port 80. So change this port 80 to, for example, port 8090, and also change this one port 8090. Change both of these, and so right now in my case there is no error here, there is no problem. And for you guys, you just click here file and save it here, and then close. So you and your if your computer have any problem, you just have to click save, and if you don't, then click don't save. So in my case I have to select don't save, but if you see any warning, any red warning here, you can click save. So then click here start and start. Now open your browser, and in here type local host you can see local host is here. It means that software is working. Now let's check. So in your case, if your port is used and you have given a new port, for example, where is the control? In here, from here, for example, you have changed the port, so you can access it like this, host, then colon, give the name of the port, for example 8090, then enter. So let's run our PHP file. So to do that, let's go to your the destination where you have installed the XAMPP software. So I have installed it on the C drive, and here you can see the XAMPP folder. Come to the XAMPP folder, and in here you can see you can run this XAMPP control panel. From here also you can see XAMPP control. If you click this, same thing will come, and in here just select this htdocs. Click here and enter inside this folder. Create a folder here, a root folder, where from this folder you can access your PHP files. For example, I will create by the name of IT Kabul, and inside this I will write a PHP so I will create here index.php. So I have created a file, and now you can see file is here, and I will create the first hello. So I will say PHP and echo, which means I want to write a message. Welcome to first lecture of, second lecture of PHP. Control C. Let's access this PHP file inside browser. So to access this, I'll just close it, and here write localhost / the name of the folder. What was the name of the folder? The name of the folder was IT-Kabul. Let's see. So you can see, welcome to the second lecture of PHP. See, if I change it here, or hi, I hope you like this lecture. Control S. Let's see, I will refresh it. Hi, I hope you like this lecture. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any doubt and comment, please write it down in my page IT Kabul.